The O11 Dynamic Mini. Yeah, let's talk about that compared to the Y60. Asus and Lian Li sent this to me like long before it even came to market because there was some like ship that got caught in a canal with a bunch of these. So I had this for months and was able to build in it before it even really came to market. I did some air cooling builds, water cooling builds. I actually had EKWB. They gave me the front distribution plate for this thing. So check my YouTube video and previous TikToks. This was a lot of fun to build in. You can kind of see the size differences between the two, and this actually takes the SFX, the small form factor power supply unit, so you have to be mindful of that. This takes a regular size power supply for the Y60. They are different styles, even though they look somewhat similar. If I were to choose between the two, it's hard, to be honest, because they are just very, very different. The Y60 has a cage underneath that has two fans right there. You kind of have to play around with how you want to put the fans in the O11 Dynamic Mini here. The O11 Mini also had an issue with 360mm AIOs up top being compatible with full ATX size motherboards as well. So I did a YouTube video and some TikToks showing how to properly mount that in here so that you could actually get them working together. It was wonky, but it worked. But to be honest, whichever one you choose, you really can't go wrong.